क्या हुआ, अभी तक आपने वो ईवी नहीं ली? अच्छा, टेस्ला का इंतजार कर रहे हैं आप। अरे 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 खैर, इलॉन मस्क साहब अपनी इलेक्ट्रिक गाड़ी तो जब इंडिया लाएंगे, बट एमजी ले आया है विंडसर काफी रिसेंटली। काफी फ्यूचरिस्टिक गाड़ी है और इसमें बहुत सारे हैं फीचर्स। बट इस वीडियो में मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा इस फ्यूचरिस्टिक गाड़ी का नाइट एक्सपीरियंस। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड। Now, if you are familiar with the Windsor, you already know that this is a pretty quirky family car that has been launched into India. In terms of its night experience, the front fascia is really eye-catchy. As you will see, ये connected LED DRLs हैं इसमें, which are very MG, very classic design that they have been following with their newer models. Of course, you get all LED headlamp units down below in the lower part of the bumper here as well. But this MG logo, ये जो MG लोगो इसका बैकलाइट है, ये फीचर हमें देखने को मिलता है काफी हाई एंड गाड़ियों में, you know, the European brands and so on. Now let's go to the side profile and see. Now on the side profile, of course, the Windsor has flush door handles, very nice looking 18-inch wheels, but ऐसा कुछ खास यहाँ पर नहीं है. The ORVMs are there. They have integrated LED indicators into them, and then you come to the rear side of the Windsor. Now if you'll come closer, you'll get to see that the connected LED tail lamps continue here as well, giving a good continuity to the design philosophy that is going on the front of the Windsor. And then you also have LED elements for your brakes, your indicators and your reverse lamps. Now quickly let's go inside the Windsor and see what kind of a night experience is there in this family CUV. Just look at the kind of ambient lighting that's there inside the cabin of the Windsor. Of course, the center stage is taken up by the 15.6-inch screen that lets you control a lot of the functions of the car as well, your media controls and also your range information and so on. But that's not all, because you also get the standard driver information display behind the steering wheel as well. Now this is also pretty crisp, it is very bright and has a very high resolution as well. If I had to nitpick, I would say that the contrast and the brightness on these screens is a little too much. But that won't be a problem, because of course in the Windsor EV, you can control all of that. You can play with the brightness of the buttons, of the screens and so on. Now if you will take a quick seat on the back seat, then I will be able to show you what all is there inside Windsor EV. Okay, so let's take a quick seat on the driver's seat of the MG Windsor. Now as you will see, it is quickly apparent that the theme that MG has gone with the Windsor is completely minimalistic, modern and very clean, and that is why everything has culminated into this 15.6-inch screen that you see up here. Of course, I told you the brightness is great, but you can control all of that through the tablet here. Then you can also control the brightness of the driver information display that you see down there. And overall, MG has given you options to play around with if these screens seem too bright to you. Now, of course, you also operate your moon roof, your glass roof for stargazing that you have in the Windsor. I've just activated it. Now you can see it opening up, and overall I'm sure that you guys remember that when this car was launched, MG did talk a lot about the kind of first class experience and comfort that the Windsor is designed. Now apart from the screen, बात कर लेते हैं of the only physical buttons that you have inside the Windsor's cabin, which are these for your air conditioning. You have your fan, your mode, AC, auto, automatic climate control of course, and your temperature control as well. Then if you will come to the lights section, this is where your night experience related information will be accessible to you. Ambient lighting है sir. You have two modes in this, constant and random, in which you can select the color that you want. You also have soft sport and all setting in the random mode of the ambient lighting itself. अभी मैंने सब कुछ random और all पे करा हुआ है. So the ambient lighting inside the cabin is changing automatically by itself. अब इसका एक बार रिवर्स पार्किंग कैमरा 360 डिग्री पार्किंग कैमरा की भी रेजोल्यूशन जरा चेक कर ली जाए. There you have it. You will see that first of all you get to see all the angles in this huge screen, which will be very easy when you are trying to maneuver and park in tight spaces. You also get a 3D view in which you can get a 3D view of what the car is doing when you are at a tricky spot. अब हमने एम्बिएंट लाइटिंग की तो बात कर ही ली है, तो देख लेते हैं विंडसर के हेडलैम्प परफॉर्मेंस भी कैसा है. एज आई शोड यू अर्लियर, यहाँ पर आपको काफी सारे ऑप्शंस मिलते हैं, बट यू ऑल्सो गेट द हेडलाइट हाइट सेटिंग विद इन द मेन्यू इटसेल्फ. अभी वो लेवल 3 पे है. वी गो टू लेवल 2, इट विल कम अप लेवल 1 and level 0 is also there. Now this is the kind of throw that you have at low beam. Now let's see कि high beam में कहाँ तक जाता है. If you see, there it is. That is the kind of high beam throw that the Windsor has. It's pretty sharp. It is not too bright also. And I would wager कि सामने वाले ड्राइवर्स को भी ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी Windsor के थ्रो से. एंड ओवरऑल आपके पास लो बीम के लिए तो मल्टीपल हाइट लेवल्स यहाँ पर हैं, 0, 1, 2 and 3. So that was a quick night experience video of the MG Windsor EV. मेरे को देख के ये अच्छा लगा कि ये गाड़ी बाहर से जितनी फ्यूचरिस्टिक कॉन्सेप्ट से जितनी यूनिक लगती है, उतना ही यूनिक और क्वर्की इसका नाइट एक्सपीरियंस भी है. और भाई साहब, पेयरिंग दोज कंफर्टेबल सीट्स विद दोज फर्स्ट क्लास लाइक एम्बिएंट लाइटिंग really elevates the experience inside. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content. And until next time, this is Amber Banerjee signing out.